Pizza night is over, but there's still a few slices left. Should you keep them in the fridge, or can you actually freeze them? The answer might surprise you. Today, we'll show you how to freeze pizza the right way, so it stays crispy, cheesy, and just as delicious as the day it was made. Yes, you can freeze pizza. Whether it's leftover, homemade, or store-bought, pizza freezes surprisingly well. The key is to cool it first, wrap each slice properly, and protect it from air. Done right, your frozen pizza will stay fresh, tasty, and ready to reheat anytime within 2 months. Freezing pizza isn't just about saving leftovers, it's about saving time, money, and flavor. Imagine opening your freezer on a busy day and finding your favorite pizza, ready to bake. It's meal prep made delicious. Freezing also prevents food waste. No more throwing away half a pizza after movie night. And best of all, the taste stays amazing when you freeze it the right way. Before freezing your pizza, let it cool down completely. Never place warm pizza in the freezer. Steam turns into ice crystals and ruins the texture. Once cooled, slice your pizza if it's whole, and separate each piece with parchment paper. This keeps them from sticking together. For homemade pizza, bake it halfway before freezing. That way, it finishes perfectly crisp when reheated later. Now it's time to freeze your pizza the smart way. Start by wrapping each slice tightly in plastic wrap or reusable silicone freezer bags. Try to remove as much air as possible. Air causes freezer burn and changes the taste. Then, place the wrapped slices in a labeled freezer container or a zip bag with the date written clearly. If you're freezing an uncooked pizza, freeze it flat on a tray first for 1 hour before storing it. This helps it keep its shape. When it's time to enjoy your frozen pizza, skip the microwave. It makes the crust soft and chewy. Instead, bake your pizza slices directly from frozen in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Or, if you have an air fryer, reheat them for 5 to 6 minutes for a crispy finish. The cheese will melt perfectly, the crust will turn golden, and your kitchen will smell like fresh pizza all over again. So yes, you can freeze pizza and keep it delicious for weeks. With just a few smart steps, you'll save food, save money, and always have a quick meal waiting. Try it this week and taste the difference yourself. For more simple freezing guides, subscribe to Freezelle, where freshness never sleeps.